Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. This is just a short demonstration of my latest acquisition. And I actually got these two watches in a trade. And I usually never do trades. I always sell my watches and I try to make at least a little bit of profit or break even, because that way I manage to fund my collection, not with my money, but with money from flipping watches. Now, because on my channel I do flip a lot more than an average watch lover, but I have to do it because of the channel. When I was offered these two, like I said, I usually never agree to trades, but these two were just so interesting. First of all, this Citizen. I've been wanting to do a review of this and wanted to get one of these ever since they came out. It's a beast of a watch. It looks amazing, but Citizen managed to mess it up in a couple of details, and I believe if they got those details right, this could have been a best-selling dive watch ever since it was introduced. But like this, it does have its flaws, which I will leave for the review, so stay tuned for that. But it still remains one nice looking watch. The other one is a Raymond Weil Tradition. Now, Raymond Weil as a brand is very interesting to me, and I've been wanting to do a review on them because they're one of the last independent brands in Switzerland, meaning they're not owned by any big conglomerate. No Swatch Group, not Fossil Group. They're independent and still run by the founding family. On top of that, they really do make some very nice looking watches. Now this one, the Tradition Automatic, is particularly beautiful because it has a timeless design and it's actually small in size. It's like having a vintage watch, but that's made in a modern way, because it features sapphire on both sides and it has a modern automatic movement. I am a sucker for these types of watches, so when I saw this in a trade, even if it wasn't for the review, I probably would have gotten it because I really love these vintage inspired timeless designs. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this short video, so stay tuned for the review of both. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, bye.